Hello everyone. So today we will see how to prepare 1 normal or 1 molar phosphoric acid from the concentrated phosphoric acid given in the bottle. So informations that we have written on the bottle are the molecular weight of phosphoric acid is 98 grams per mole, specific gravity is 1.70 and percentage assay is 85.5 percentage. Now as we have seen in other preparation of the acids from the concentrated acid, we will first convert the grams molecular weight given in grams to the volume equivalent. So what we want is for preparation of 1 molar 1000 ml, how much of the volume is to be taken. Because we have this acid in the liquid form, we cannot take directly 98 grams and dissolve it to get 1 liter 1 molar solution. So this factor we will determine first. So we have the informations written, from that only we will determine the volume equivalent to grams. So first thing is we need to convert the grams into volume. So by using the equation density is equal to mass upon volume, we can calculate the volume required. So volume will be equal to mass upon density. So mass is 98 grams and the density is 1.70. So that is equal to 57.64 ml. So the volume equivalent to the gram 98 gram is 57.64. Now 85.5 percentage, second step is 85.5 percentage of the phosphoric acid. This much percentage is given, percentage assay is 85.5 percentage, that consists of 57.64 ml of the acid. So for 100% phosphoric acid, how much will be the volume? That is equal to 57.64 into 100 divided by 85.5. That gives us 67.41 ml. So this is the volume required to prepare 1 molar 1000 ml of the solution. So this 67.41 ml is to be diluted up to 1000 ml with distilled water, and so we get 1 molar of the phosphoric acid. And so now we have the factor as 1 molar 1000 ml requires 67.41 ml. This is the factor. For calculating the molarity, the factor we have to use is for 1 molar 1000 ml, 67.41 ml of the acid is to be added to 1 liter. Total we have to make 1 liter of the solution. Now if we want to prepare 6 molar phosphoric acid, then how much volume we have to take? 67.41 into 6, right? That gives us 405 ml. 405 ml, total volume to be made is 1 liter.
Now, if we want to calculate the normality, then we need to identify first the relation between the molarity and normality, because phosphoric acid being a tribasic acid, it will have different calculations for the molarity and normality. So if we calculate the relation between molarity and normality, then we know the equation molarity into molecular weight is equal to normality into equivalent weight. So how much will be the molarity? Molecular weight is 98. Normality is how much? Equivalent weight is 3 replaceable hydrogen atoms, H3PO4. Right? So 3-step reaction, and we get equivalent weight, that is basicity is 3. So divide by 3 and we get the value of equivalent weight as 32.7. Okay. So molarity will be equal to normality into 32.7 divided by 98. Therefore, molarity will be equal to 1 by 3 normality. Okay. From this equation, we can conclude that the normality will be thrice the molarity. Okay. That means if we this relation shows that if the molarity of the solution is 1 molar, okay, then the normality of the solution will be thrice the molarity. So normality will be 3 molar. Okay, suppose we have 0.5 molar solution, then what will be the normality of that solution? Normality is equal to thrice the molarity. Therefore, normality will be equal to 3 into 0.5. That means it will be 1.5 normal, right? So this means that what we have calculated, that 1 molar we require 67.41. This gives us 1 molar solution. But in terms of normality, if we say, it is equivalent to 3 normal, because we have here normality is thrice the molarity. Here we have molarity 1. So for 1 molar solution, we require 67.41 ml. That will be equivalent to 3 normal solution. We are preparing 1 molar solution, that gives us 3 normal solution. So if we want to prepare 1 normal solution, we can use the equation. For preparing 1 normal solution 1000 ml, we require 22.47 ml of the concentrated acid. Okay, that means, see, if we want, we can use the equation to calculate the normality also. Instead of taking here the molecular weight, we can take the equivalent weight. Instead of 98, we can take the equivalent weight. See, same way as we have calculated for the molarity factor, we can calculate for the normality. How? See, first thing is we have to determine the volume equivalent, that is density is equal to mass upon volume. So volume will be equal to mass by density. Here mass we will take is equivalent weight. So equivalent weight of phosphoric acid is 32.66 divided by the density is 1.70. That gives us 19.21 ml. Okay, now as we had done, 85.5% consists of 19.21 ml. Then 100 ml, 100% will be equal to how much? 19.21 into 100 divided by 85.5. This gives us 22.47. Okay, so this gives the volume to be added to prepare 1 normal of the phosphoric acid, which should be diluted up to 100 ml with distilled water. Right, so this much is the volume. Anyway we can do, or we can use this relation, that normality will be thrice the molarity. Direct equation if we want to use, we can use one step equation, that is volume required in ml multiplied by percentage assay of the solution, that is equal to molarity into molar mass into volume required. So required volume to be taken in decimeter cube divided by the density. This equation also we can use directly to calculate the volume required. So volume required in ml into percentage of the solution is 85.5 percentage. Molarity we require is 1 molar. Molar mass is 98. Required volume is 1 decimeter cube or 1000 ml or 1 cubic centimeter divided by 1.70 is the density. That gives us volume in ml will be equal to 98 into 100 divided by 1.70 into 85.5. That gives us volume 67.41. So this much volume is to be taken to prepare 1 molar 1000 ml of the phosphoric acid. Okay, so this equation directly also we can use. Thank you.